has a population of 20 million people.
Was easy to use, so call my time, but you weren't really mine.
Quito has a population of 2 million people.
Thought I never knew. No surprise, but nevertheless, I'm still stuck in self-defense.
Quito is the capital of Ecuador.